Guys, how good does that look? That is some smoked ox cheek, and that is what we're making today. Let's get to it. So first off, we're going to start with some ox cheeks. So these look pretty rough to start with. You've got all that connective tissue, all that sinewy stuff. We don't really want that, not so much on this side, but we're going to get that cut off in just a second. It doesn't render down well, so it needs to come off. So for that, you're going to need a sharp knife because it is tough as anything. And then I'm just going to get all that off. Some people like to leave like loads of fat in there, but I don't, so we're going to cut it off. Then we're going to get that seasoned. I'm using like a brisket seasoning for this, so quite heavy on the pepper, nice bit of salt in there. It's all good. So once we've got that seasoned, we're going to get these into some smoke. They do take a long time to cook, so once everything's all covered, we're going into the smoker. So we're using the Masterbuilt today, and we've got some cherry smoke roll in there, and we're going to whack those on, get that lid closed, and we are good to go. So they're going to take a good probably 2 hours in the smoke. While that's happening, we're going to chop up some onions finely. We're going to get some garlic in there, of course. Obviously use as much as you want. Get all that in a Dutch oven. I didn't put enough in first time, so we're going to add some more in with that. And we're going to chuck in there some decent beef stock. You're going to need probably like a litre or so, just enough to cover the beef cheeks. So they've been in there for about 2 hours. They've got some good bark on there, some good colour, and they are looking real good. So we're going to get them into the liquid, so that's going to be a braising liquid for him. And this is one thing I love about the Masterbuilt. You can just flip up the racks there where it's been smoking, that one goes down, so then your Dutch oven's going to fit. Get that pushed back in there, then we're going to get a lid on, and we're going to leave that to do its thing for about 4 or 5 hours. Keep checking it. So lid on the Dutch oven, lid shut on the barbie. So after some time has passed, this is what we've got. See, I'm only messing with it, you're going to need to cut this. And that is how tender it is. It just falls apart. Look how deep that smoke got in there. Still super juicy, super flavourful. You've got that good smoke running through there. You've got that bark. It is absolutely amazing. This is going to go into some tacos, and you've got all the onions and everything in there, and that's it. Like, subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one.